Moisturizer for face, dry skin and sensitive skin. This dry or sensitive skin cream helps to restore the skin's protective moisture barrier, leading to softer skin. Sensitive and dry skin cream for face and body also helps prevent the over-evaporation of the skin's own moisture and protects the entire face from environmental stresses. While this moisturizing sensitive skin cream is great for the face, it's also ideal for the rest of your body, including your elbows and knees. This unique, paraben-free formula, containing plant-derived ingredients, mimics the structure of the natural skin lipids and aids in the replenishment of the loss of natural skin lipids. This cream helps to boost the skin's barrier function while protecting it from environmental stresses. The moisturizer leaves the skin feeling soft and supple. Benefits: repairs the skin after treatments such as microdermabrasion. Helps to seal in skin moisture to prevent dehydration. Formula is non-greasy and easily absorbed.Patented technology. Top reviews from the United States. Miracle Cream. My husband has rosacea and had tried everything to help it, even had the laser treatment from the dermatologist. We saw this cream and purchased it, and to his surprise, it totally helped when he has flare-ups. Even the dermatologist asked what he was using, and wrote down the name to pass along to other patients. It's good stuff.